Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you a knot method. We will learn a tying method, especially for wristbands made with yarn types. First of all, I bought a thick rope. I will use knitting rope to show it better. I cut enough length from my rope for this process. I cut a long piece of rope to make it easy to show here. You can measure and cut according to your wrist size in your own work. The tying method we will use here is an easy to create and suitable method. First, we take the two ends of our rope and center the rope. The rope has two ends, and when we wrap the rope, one end of the rope is in front and one end is behind. In this winding, the rope coming from the left is first and the rope coming from the right is behind. But in order to make the knot correctly, it has to be the other way around. That is, the end of the rope coming from the right should be in front, and the end of the rope coming from the left should be behind. Now we pass the end of the rope coming from the left through the back. At the end of this process, we have formed a ring at the top. Now we do the same process again. That is, we take the same rope end from the front and pass it through the back. As a result of these processes, we get two rings at the top. From this moment on, we pass the end of the rope we have taken from the back through the two rings we have created. After these processes, we form the knot by pulling the ends of the rope. As you can see, we have created our knot. You can adjust the size of our bracelet by pulling the ends of the rope. You can shrink or enlarge it if you want. After this adjustment, you can cut the ends of the ropes to the appropriate length. We tie a knot at the ends of both ropes we cut. After the knots, we cut off the excess. If you want, you can flatten the cut ends by holding them on fire. As a result of these processes, we have completed our knot process. This way we can adjust our bracelet according to our wrist. I used a thick rope here to show you better. You can make your designs with ropes of different thicknesses in your own designs. You can easily use this method to tie your wristbands. That's all I will show in this video. I hope it has been a useful content for you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. You can also leave your comments below. Thank you for watching me. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.